Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Push-along ride-ons usually are just that, you push along with your feet. However, this has changed slightly with the kids' Mercedes G63 6x6 push and electric ride-on. You can still use your feet to ride around in this, however the introduction of motors and a powerful 12-volt battery means they can switch to driving this just like they would any other electric ride-on. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. Integrated footrests make for a great riding experience. Go from electric to push along in seconds. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Removable seats. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.